अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों.
Guys, we just finished.
Assalamu alaikum dosto.
Welcome to the very first episode of Chai Shai with Bliss, the podcast where we spill our hearts, spill our chai, and drag the society lovingly by their dupattas.
You heard her. We're here to sip, spill, and serve. Think of us as your late night chai companion
Or whenever you're watching this,
and your internet ki dost who aren't afraid to say what you're thinking.
I'm your co-host Bisma.
And I'm your co-host Alishba.
तो फिर अपनी चाय लो और बैठ जाओ and let's talk about episode 1, Desi Girl Problems 101.
Guys, you know, I had a very rough day yesterday. मैं बहुत उदास थी और मैं इतनी वो नहीं हूँ, क्या कहते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ, नहीं पता मैं कैसे पॉडकास्ट बना रही हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी आउट ऑफ माई कंफर्ट जोन. बहुत सीरियस बात है यार, मतलब ऐसे
तुमने कहा था सीरियस बात है. देसी गर्ल प्रॉब्लम्स 101.
मेरे पास कपड़े भी नहीं था सुबह. बहुत टेंशन होती है यार कपड़े.
हाँ वैसे रोज यूनिवर्सिटी क्या पहन के जाओ यार.
कसम से यार मुझे
पंजाब
हर
ड्रेसेस.
दिन कुछ न्यू पहनना है, मुझे रिपीट नहीं करना. लाइक हु द हेल इवन रिपीट्स. Ew.
I do. Guys, the best thing to do is recycle your clothes. You can wear it more than once. Please.
Reuse it, yeah. Or
Reuse,
just
recycle.
raid your family. If you live in a joint family, use the perks.
मैं वैसे हर 2 दिन बाद शॉपिंग करने का मूड होता है कपड़ों की.
लेकिन उतने पैसे नहीं मेरे पास कि मैं हर दिन शॉपिंग करूं.
Guys, subscribe.
Please, we need money.
ताकि
help your girls out, guys.
ताकि हम नए नए देसी फिट्स ले सकें.
हाँ, और कोई रिपीट ना करें.
Oh my god, let's do outfit. Outfit check, guys. Desi.
Black skin like my black heart.
My outfit is from Zilbari, Pakistan.
My-
Not sponsored.
My outfit is from, I think, Subin Said.
Not sponsored. We wanted a space that is safe, hilarious, and bishram enough to be relatable. Like, we're tired of perfection. Sometimes you just want to cry over chai, laugh about memes in one sitting, and rant about patriarchy.
So this podcast is our little loud rebellion against log kya kahenge culture. I mean, they're gonna talk about us anyway, so let's give them something to talk about.
वैसे लोग क्या कहेंगे culture ना? It's everywhere. And so much in the Desi culture, especially over girls.
Oh, tell me about it. It's endless. Honestly, at this point, it's not even just Desi. It's become every culture. Let it be Eastern, Western, Southern, or whatever ends they are. Har jagah.
लेकिन देसी it's so prominent in the देसी culture. आप कुछ करो तो मसला, आप कुछ नहीं करो तो भी मसला, आप मीडियम उसमें रहो कि कुछ करते भी और कुछ नहीं भी करते तो भी
मतलब
मसला.
आप मुझे बता दें हम करें क्या. मतलब
और-
एक स्क्रिप्ट बना के दे दे आपको अपनी लाइफ ऐसे 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 जीनी है.
देसी आंटीज तो एक अलग साइड पे, but apart from that, being in university and लोग क्या कहेंगे, आप कुछ नहीं भी करो लोग कहेंगे. guys,
You need patience.
you need a lot of patience, especially if you go to uni and with people in uni. And the dominant part of that are Desi people. So I guess chahe wo Desi auntie kyun na ho, it'll go around in generations.
A little advice: if you're gonna start uni or you are in uni, you need to start doing yoga because that's the only thing that's gonna teach you patience.
You need thick skin, honestly,
Oh,
because log kahenge hi kahenge.
log will never shut up.
You're gonna do anything and they're still gonna speak about you, so might as well give them to something to talk about. And एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकाल
लोग
दो.
तो बने ही कहने के लिए यार.
और अगर कोई आंटी सुन रही है तो प्लीज म्यूट करके सुनिएगा.
Enjoy करें और हमें enjoy
करने
करने
दियो.
कोई चाय ब्रेक भी नहीं चाहिए
चाय
बीच
break.
में. बोल बोल के गला खुश्क हो गया है मेरा. Wait, ASMR.
फिर आप
मजेदार चाय और बातें. क्या
Wow.
कॉम्बिनेशन है यार.
मुझे ना बीच में ना मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं चाय एडिक्ट बन चुकी हूँ. दिन में मैं आराम से 5-6 कप चाय पी लूंगी.
चाय, देसी चाय. क्या खुशबू.
कड़क चाय जो होती है.
उफ, वाओ. और इलायची की खुशबू. ओह माय गॉड.
Philly की चाय is so good, guys. So worth
I
the
don't
7
recommend.
dirhams.
7 dirhams for chai. I'm sorry.
It's so good. It's chai, guys.
It's not worth it.
Oh, if you saw our story on Instagram, yesterday I tried out this chai frappuccino from their chai collection Dunkin' Pay, and it was diabolical, guys.
Who even
Diabolical.
chai and cold is such a disgusting
मैं
combination.
मुझे लगा कुछ डिफरेंट होगा. I had the chai frappe, and मेरा दिल चाहता मैं उसको माइक्रोवेव में गर्म कर दूं. Literally ठंडी चिल्ड चाय थी वो. ठंडी चिल्ड चाय.
Ew, it's just giving me the ick.
It was bad, guys. Dunkin', I'm sorry, but no. उसमें hot chai भी थी, which is obviously just garam chai, and they're selling it for 14 dirhams. No, thank you. I'll go to the cafeteria and get it for 2.
People like her only spend that stupid amount on chai. Then just go to a normal regular cafeteria. You'll get it for
I
a
wanted to
dirham
try
or
the
two.
frappe. I thought chai frappe नाम रखे लेकिन कुछ तो अलग होगा. ठंडी चाय पकड़ा दी मुझे.
It's
But guys,
all for content.
chai is best served hot, like the one we're gonna spill on our podcast. Stay tuned.
Let's get into it. Being a Desi girl is a full-time job. Unpaid, emotionally draining, and oh my god, there's no HR to report to your mom. Imagine how miserable.
You can call your nani though.
Or your dad, in my case.
And unspoken desi girl problems, you want to go out. क्या जरूरत है बाहर जाने की? Like, really?
And oh my god, when you are wearing jeans and your mom hits you with, लोग क्या सोचेंगे? क्या पहना हुआ है?
Sis, the log don't pay my bills.
Tell them.
Oh, and let's talk about the beauty standards. If you gain weight or if you're a little healthy, बेटा थोड़ी dieting कर लो, weight lose कर लो. And if you're slim and smart, क्या हो गया? इतनी सूखे क्यों हो रही हो? Every time I go to Pakistan, I hear the और भी पतली हो गई हो, और भी सूखी हो गई हो.
I remember one auntie, I went to this milad. Yeah, honest, I have a question. ये हर function में रिश्ते वाली आंटियाँ कहाँ से टपक जाती हैं? It's like they're finding that golden chance to just be there. Like ये लड़की को उठा लेते हैं.
नहीं, लड़की अपने बेटे के साथ सेट करनी है. आंटी प्लीज आप अपना बेटा भी देख लिया करें लड़की देखने से पहले.
I swear, मतलब यार कुछ मैच हो समझ आती है. बिना मैच किए या
judging.
Anyway,
judging.
back to my story. कि आंटी मुझसे मिली हैं, कहती हैं अलिशा बेटा क्या हो गया आपको, रिश्ते वगैरह नहीं चाहिए, इतना वेट पुट ऑन कर लिया. And then few months exactly after that, when I had lost weight because of all that pressure hearing from my mom कि बहुत मोटी हो गई है, आंटी मीन्स लाइक माशाल्लाह क्या बात है, क्या जादू की अपनी बेटी पे रुबीना, बताएं जरा. मतलब what?
मैं ना पतली ही ठीक हूँ. नो थैंक यू आंटी, मुझे कोई शौक नहीं मोटा होने का.
और मैं ऐसी ठीक हूँ. एक ही जिंदगी है, मैंने खाना पीना सब कुछ करना है. Enjoy life.
And the beauty standards going ahead के the girl is too fair or the girl is too tan. If she's too tan, she needs to be too fair. If she's too pale, why is she so pale? Is she sick? Is she okay?
Tell me about it.
Like, are you ever happy with Desi girls?
Desi women aunties are obsessed with the color white.
हाँ बस चिट्टी गोरी लड़की होनी चाहिए, भले आपका बेटा जैसा भी हो.
हाँ, भले लड़की भी नए नक्श वगैरह कुछ ना हो, बस गोरी होनी चाहिए ताकि बच्चे भी गोरे हों.
Oh, and the fact कि when aunties or anyone go to the girl's house to see the girl for the rishta, because it's like a tradition in Desi culture, मीन मेखे तो ऐसे निकालनी है ना, लड़की ऐसी है, उसकी नाक ऐसी, उसकी आंखें ऐसी है, उसके बाल ऐसे हैं. And another thing being in Pakistani, I don't know about Indian culture, but if the girl is wearing a hijab, they want to see the girl's hair like as if she's bald. There's like, acha hijab udhar ke to dikhao, like baal hain, they're making sure if the girl is not bald, and it's just diabolical. It's crazy.
Baalon se ye yaad aaya, it's so crazy how having body hair is a freaking crime. Matlab, it's a crime. And aunties don't even think before insulting you.
Kasam se.
Oh, I remember.
Aunties have no filter. Watch out, guys.
Kasam se,
watch out.
It was my mamu's wedding. Hum salon mein the. I had no idea who that lady was. Like, we had no business, okay? Family samajh aati, but rishtedar nahi kuch, nothing at all. And she was a beta, aap eyebrows nahi banati. I was at my Jhumka gira re, Bareli ke bazaar mein Jhumka. है कौन होगा मैं झुमके उठाने वाला. Anyway,
तो मैंने खुद ही उठा लिया अपना झुमका.
खुद को ही उठाना पड़ेगा. Coming back कि What's the issue? What's the issue? Honestly, what's the issue with having body hair? You need to normalize it. Honestly.
Desi girl के beauty standards are so unrealistic. पतली हो but बहुत पतली ना हो. She should be fair but not too pale. And what else? Modern होनी चाहिए.
और बाल नहीं होने चाहिए एक भी बॉडी में सिवाय सर के.
So, and you need to have thick, luscious locks to look very pretty. All for what? For you to sit at home after शादी.
कसम से. It's showpiece की तरह. ओ देखो ये हमारी बहू है.
Oh, and how they doctor बनाना होता है just for the title doctor बहू doctor बेटी. It's wow.
आपको पता है मेरी बेटी कौन है? डॉक्टर है भाई. मतलब इसमें कोई इतरान है. मतलब okay, that's a very very respectful profession.
But they only want the title for the sake of it. Bhale they're not gonna let the girl practice her medicine after she gets married, but they have something to rant about, like, oh, our bahu is a doctor, or not bahu, daughter-in-law.
It's okay. हम दोनों ना मीडिया में PhD करके डॉक्टर नाम ले आएंगे, फिर सब हमें बोलेंगे भाई डॉक्टर आ गई है.
Doesn't matter.
मीडिया की.
But hey, who needs to know कि doctor medicine की है media? So we have a story time submitted from one of you guys, and it's the Shadi Slender. You know, desi weddings are where the real content is.
Plot twist, drama. Oh my god. Outfit wars and Rishta matchmaking disguised as just catching up.
Okay, so this person has given us the story. I was at this wedding, full glam, jhumke, langa, blow dry, you know, the works. And I looked like I was getting married.
Mood. She was the main character. But until
one auntie saw me eating my second gulab jamun and literally whispered, देखा बहू टाइप नहीं है.
Oh, the way my soul would leave my body.
I swear.
Let her.
I would hear that. If I would hear that, I would probably answer back to this auntie. I would not.
Like, let her eat in peace, man. Gulab jamun. मुंह पे पानी आ गया यार.
And then another auntie goes like, बेटा अगला नंबर तुम्हारा है ना. Auntie, I'm failing next. I don't think marriage is next.
Shadi is not a graduation ceremony. Everyone really needs to stop treating it like you're graduating. Like, come on.
कुछ नहीं होता, शादी कर लो. ये नहीं, शादी कर लो.
पढ़ाई नहीं करनी, शादी कर लो. घर में बैठे रहना, शादी कर लो. घूमने नहीं जाना, शादी कर लो. खाने नहीं खाना, शादी कर लो.
And the classic line you get from your mom is, शादी के बाद कर लेना अपने शौहर के साथ.
What if the शौहर says शादी के बाद नहीं कर सकती, पहले क्यों नहीं किया?
My husband and my mom will have a meeting before and agree कि मैं शादी के बाद सब कर सकती हूँ.
शादी के बाद I'll have a list. शादी के बाद जो करना है, अगर वो सारी लिस्ट में एक भी cross हुआ ना.
No, if he'll get a checklist first, and if he can handle it, then only we can say yes.
या भाई शादी के बाद मैंने टका के enjoy करना है, कोई रोक के तो दिखाए.
But that is the desi universe. You could be curating career and they still ask, रिश्ता आया क्या? आप मुझे मेरा करियर बनाने दें, कुछ नहीं बिगड़ जाएगा.
आप कैंसर में हो, भले ही कीमोथेरेपी चल रही हो, जो भी हो, आगे से बोलेंगे हाय बाल निकल गए सारे, रिश्ता कैसे आएगा?
Oh my god, my झुमका for this.
This needs to stop. Hi. Anyway,
okay, it's back. Anyways, point being, आप लड़के का career देख सकते हो. In the desi universe, it's the guy needs to be financially stable. He needs to have a degree, this and this and this. What about the girl? The girl needs to have a career too, her degree, her job. And oh my god, a desi girl doing a job after marriage is such, oh my god.
It's like a red flag in the desi world.
Like, job कर रही है.
कितनी बिगड़ी हुई होगी, कितनी फ्री होगी. कसम से, like, oh, इतनी open minded.
इतनी modern.
लड़कों के साथ काम करती है.
And the fact that how when they're looking for rishtas, they want a modern लड़की that is very, like, you know, independent, modern, job करती हो, open minded हो.
हाँ.
आपका बेटा
लेकिन शादी के फौरन बाद मतलब you know,
अपनी सारी डिग्री का ना कुछ उम्र निकाल के you put it on the side and you go into the kitchen.
शरीफ हो लेकिन मॉडर्न हो, कमाती हो लेकिन बिना काम किए. मतलब कहाँ पैसे में उगा के लेकर आऊँ, किधर से लेकर आऊँ? या मुझे बता दे. अगर कोई ऐसा पौधा है तो प्लीज सबसे पहले हमें ला कर दे, हमें बहुत जरूरत है. फिर तो
we will gladly take it, you know. It's just crazy how they want a fully independent girl just for her to be a home after marriage, and it just doesn't
Exactly.
make sense because why the hell am I spending so much money on my degree?
Alright, time for our favorite segment, Hot,
Hot
Chai
Chai
Takes, where we drop unpopular opinions nobody asked for but everyone relates.
Hot Chai Take 1. Talking stages are just unpaid internships. Like I'm showing up every day, giving my best, no benefits, no commitment.
And imagine the HR ghosts you.
Exactly. And when it ends, I don't even get a letter of recommendation, just emotional trauma.
Like, seriously, give me a real job or leave me alone.
I think leave alone is the better option.
I know, right? Who wants to work?
Guys, men and no commitment.
That's a whole topic I can talk about for hours
hours.
and hours.
Hours. What is up with men and emotionally unavailable and no commitment?
And why are HRs mostly men?
Good question.
It's so annoying.
Men are very problematic.
The men
Very.
word itself says mental.
Patient.
Yeah.
Or they will turn you into a mental patient if you aren't one.
They can never be. I have not met a guy or like a man in general, let it be work, professional, or personal life, which is
Normal.
a normal human.
Normal men with
I mean,
brain
they do
cells.
start being normal, but they end up becoming psychotic.
They show their true colors.
और भाई एक ही आप रहो, एक ही pattern में रहो. What's the
Especially
chill of changing
especially
suddenly?
Desi men. Especially Desi
Oh
men.
my god, Desi man.
It's a very it's an issue.
Desi
It's-
man
it's an
equals
issue.
egoistic man.
Egoistic creatures.
Egoistic creatures.
Like, can't you accept that you can be wrong for once and say sorry?
Yes, it's,
How hard is it?
I swear
If
it's
I
just
can say
simple.
sorry 50 times, I think you can come up and say sorry once.
All you have to say, I'm sorry this month. I shouldn't have done that. Oh,
It's not that
I
hard.
totally date myself.
I swear. It's
Life.
just not that hard. And I don't know why it is. So, and if you're a guy watching this, please help us out and tell us why is it that men are like this?
Comment down, please. We
Please.
need to know
We
why
need
men
answers.
are like that.
Desi men in specific. So if you're a Desi
Exactly.
guy watching this, please help
Comment
us out.
down below.
So this is your hot take and hotter chai.
Stay tuned for more. Okay, shit.
Let's lighten up the mood. Now we have a rapid fire.
Let's go.
One thing Desi mom says that lives rent free in your head.
मैं माँ हूँ तुम्हारी, मुझे हर चीज का पता है. One more. जब मैं मर जाऊंगी ना,
तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा.
कसम से यार.
This is so accurate. I feel like every Desi mom ever has said this.
They live by these two specific lines.
Most Desi thing you did this week.
I mean, besides gossiping about family, like when does it never happen? Saved every plastic bag in another plastic bag in
Oh my
another
god,
plastic bag.
yes.
You know, made them
Well,
into
there's-
samosas.
There's this one huge plastic bag that you put all the smaller ones in
I swear.
for the kachra.
Determination.
Favorite comfort food.
Favorite food, I would say biryani, but comfort, dahi puri, and emotional support.
But biryani on top.
Yeah.
Chicken biryani or mutton biryani?
That's a hard one. I think chicken.
Chicken?
I think chicken. Chicken is like,
I think both. They're both amazing.
I mean,
but
you can't go wrong with chicken.
Chicken.
लेकिन अगर गोश्त से smell आई ना, पूरी
Oh, yeah.
बिरयानी का मजा
खराब.
खराब.
But I feel like a lot of people are like, mutton biryani, how can you choose chicken? But you
You know,
can't go
गोश्त
wrong.
खोर लोग.
I love mutton biryani though.
I mean,
Guys, if you live in UAE, Dubai specifically, try Pakhyari ki mutton biryani.
or if you have any places you would like us to
Try
visit
out.
and try out, do recommend.
In the
Yeah.
comments.
Okay.
Dream Rishta description.
Okay, I mean like जिंदा होना चाहिए, मर्द होना चाहिए, or like
The bar is in hell.
but okay, honestly though, on a real note, he should be decent, honest, please, honest, transparent,
Not
kind,
egoistic.
not egoistic, please, kind, loving, और मेरा होना चाहिए.
सही बात है. And not allergic to feminism or women empowerment.
Please, no.
Please.
It's a big no.
So that was our rapid fire round. And if you have any questions that you want to ask us, you can drop it in our DMs or in the comment section down below.
Or just answer to the exact same questions we've answered to. Would love to hear out your answers and your
For sure.
perspectives.
And that is a wrap on the very first episode of Chai Chai with Bliss. If you laughed, nodded, and screamed, same yar, then this is your new safe digital spot.
Follow us on Instagram for all the memes, behind the scenes, and the spicy content.
And share this episode with your bestie, your cousin, and even that one auntie who low-key needs to hear it.
Thank you for sipping with us, and remember,
Keep your chai hot
and your standards high.
Bye.